Hey teachers, so one thing that we're noticing is if kids aren't showing up in your OneNote class notebook that you created using Microsoft Teams, is that there might be an additional step that you got to do just to make sure that Teams syncs with the system. So to just double check if a kid has access, what you need to do is you need to go to Office 365 and you're going to find Microsoft Teams. And it will load all your teams, and basically you're going to want to find the class that you want to see if a student maybe they enrolled later into the class, and to see if they have been auto enrolled through the Skyward data sync. And so what we'll do is I'll just use this one as an example. So period 5, what you should do is you click on general, and that'll take you to the main kind of narrative of the team. And you'll look at down here, it should say something recent of a new student being added. And at that point, once it might load a few more right as you click general. And then after that moment, the student should be able to go to Office 365, click on OneNote, and go to class notebooks and see that notebook there to open it into OneNote 2016. If you don't see a student down here and they've been enrolled in the team and they're part of your class now, you can manually add them as a student to the class. And to do that, you're going to go up to the class that you want to add a student to. You can click the little ellipses here and then go down here to add members. And then you want to make sure you have students selected, not teachers, and then type in a student's name. So you'll click them and you can do multiple at a time and then just hit add. And what will happen is they'll show up right here as added to the team, and the student should be able to go to Office 365 at that point and go to OneNote and see your class notebook.